Okay, so example number 2a in addition and subtraction of radicals. Okay, so we have square root of 5 plus 4 times square root of 5. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, parehas ang index nila. So meron tayong 2 dito at 2 rin yan. And then yung radical or radicand is parehas din, 5 and 5. So pwede nating i-add. Oh, nawawala ang coefficient natin dito. So walang number na nasa unahan is square root of 5. So pag walang number, ang ibig sabihin yan 1. Meron tayong 1 dito. Laging may 1 dyan sa unahan pag walang nakasulat na number. So huwag niyong kakalimutan yan. Diyan maraming nagkakamali. Okay? So, para hindi kayo malito, pwede niyong lagyan ng 1 sa unahan. Okay, so i-add na natin. So that is 1 plus 4. So we have 1 plus 4. Huwag kalimutan yung 1. And then square root of 5. Write the common radicals. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is 5 times square root of 5. And square root of 5 is not a perfect square root. So this is our final answer. Okay. Or pwede mong shortcut yan. So 1 plus 4, 5. Shortcut na kagad dyan. Okay, example number 2, we have 2b pala. So cube root of or 3 times 4th root of 5a minus 1 4th root of 5a. So kung mapapansin nyo, wala na namang number dito, so ibig sabihin that is 1. Okay, so common ang index natin, 4, 4, and ang radicand is 5a and 5a, so pwede natin silang isubtract. Pwede natin isubtract yung coefficient na 3 and 1. Okay. So again, para hindi kayo malito, pwede nyong isulat yung 1 sa harapan ng radical sign. Okay. So 3 minus 1. And then isulat natin yung common radicals, which is 4th root of 5a. Then subtract 3 minus 1 is 2 times 4th root of 5a. Okay, so this is our final answer. Or in short, pwede mo siyang i-minus kagad. 3 minus 1 is 2 times 4th root of 5a. Okay?